National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Kingman County until 9:45 p.m. At 8:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southeast of Nashville, or 9 miles northwest of Attica, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. You can expect half-dollar-size hail. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Kingman, Willowdale, Zenda, Spivey, Cleveland, Penalosa, and Kingman Airport.